Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to add collision. So for example in here I will use event when flag click, and to move the objects I will use the variables. So you can use like here moving, click OK, and the next we set for the set moving to 0, and the next use the control forever. For moving, use the if, and then move to the sensings. So when you press up arrow, you can use the variable change moving by 5 or 2. Okay, we copy again this duplicate into here, and I will use down arrow and moving -2. So if you play, the object will be moving. And in here we set for the set moving, and again we use the operator. Variables you can set to moving, set in here like into 0,8, and the next for change by y, so you can go to the motions and we use the change by y, use the variables with moving. Now if you play, the object will be moving up and down. Now I will create again for the new sprite. So we create pen. I will draw a rectangle in the top here. You can go to the code and you can click for the sprite one again. Now in here we can use the if, use the control if. Now for the sensings, touchings for the sprite 2, so you can use this option, touching sprite 2. So this is for the sprite 2, and the next change by y, so I will move copy this option, change by y, and we can use for the operator moving into -1, and the next you can duplicate again, set moving y to 0, set moving to 0, and the next you can play. Now if you move, it will be create the collisions in the top here. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial, how to add collision.